Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to review the Reclaim AI app. Reclaim AI is a smart calendar app that helps you plan your day by automatically adding tasks, habits, and breaks to your schedule. It works with Google Calendar and moves things around when needed to keep your day balanced. One of its best features is how it protects your focus time so you can get real work done without too many meetings. It protects time for uninterrupted deep work so you can achieve peak concentration and be up to 500% more productive. Simply set your focus time goal, and the AI will flexibly define time around your existing calendar events. You can also set up habits like lunch, workouts, or deep work, and it finds time for them based on how busy you are. It connects with tools like Asana, Slack, and Google Tasks to keep everything in one place. Reclaim shows clear reports so you can see how you spend your time. There is a free version and paid plans are affordable for more features. It offers a free plan, a starter plan at $8 per month, a business plan at $12 per month, and an enterprise plan for $18 per month. The app doesn't have a mobile version yet, and support for Outlook calendars is limited. It's best for people who need help staying organized, not for managing big projects. Some users might find the auto-rescheduling a bit too strict. Overall, Reclaim AI is great if you want an easier way to plan your day and protect your time. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.